Today, we find our way back to our old workplace to reminisce and rekindle old friendships. May we always treasure this rare gift that was not given to all. To be an integral part of ABS-CBN, to be a kapamilya once, and to remain a kapamilya forever.
It's always a privilege and an honor to be part of this institution. By 1986, when we resurrected, most of you were there. And you rewrote history. It was another golden age for Philippine broadcast news. Saludo po kami sa inyo.
Batang ABS! Kapamilya forever!
Pamilya forever!
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 Hindi maghihiwalay. Kapamilya forever!
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 Tapat sa'yo habang buhay.
Kahit muling umuulan, may hadlang sa ating daan, isang pamilya pa rin natin
Batang ABS!
buo ang loob, di mangangamba, dahil alam ko bukas nandyan ka. Magkasama tayo sa pagiyak at pagtawa, sa pag-ibig.
Pamilya forever!
Dapat ginhawa kahit ano pa, ipaglalaban kita.
Pamilya forever! Forever! Hindi maghihiwalay.
Taas ang kamay, iwagayway ang mga senior citizen card.
It was supposed to be a simple get-together, parang magkita lang daw, mga 30 lang daw. Miya't-miya palaki ng palaki.
Pamilya forever! Forever!
I had to come here today to thank you all for the best years of my life. Salamat.
Pamilya forever from Bahay Kalina.
First broadcasting career ko po ay sa ABS-CBN. Had it not been for ABS-CBN, there is no Erwin T. Tulfo. Thank you po.
We are ABS-CBN and forever yung spirit na yan will live on. Bakit tayo nandito? In the service of the Filipino people.
Happiest, funniest, busiest, scariest times of my life were here in ABS-CBN. Collectively, all of that helped me to grow into the person I am today. Papasalamat din ako sa inyong lahat na kayo po ay naging kabahagi ng buhay ko.
Bago pa nauso ang salitang accountability, ando na tayo.
We had a lot of memories. We had a lot of exposés. We had a lot of life-threatening situation.
tapat sa'yo habang buhay, kapamilya forever, hindi maghihiwalay.
Malaki ang naging bahagi sa akin at naging tulong sa karir ko ng MGB. Una-una, yung kultura bang hindi po pwedeng may excuse. We have to be compassionate.
Nagbabago po yung panahon, pero hindi nagbabago ang pagkakaibigan. Mawawala yung tower, mawawala yung ABS-CBN building, pero yung good memories are here to stay.
I am grateful to ABS-CBN and to all of you. I will forever hold you in my heart.
Ang ginawa ng ABS-CBN sa buhay nating lahat. ABS-CBN paid its people so well.
We're proud to be part of ABS-CBN bilang mga batang ABS-CBN.
po ng natutunan namin sa ABS-CBN, dala-dala po namin yan hanggang sa gobyerno. Maraming salamat po ABS-CBN. It's so nice to see you here.
Mabuhay ang ABS-CBN News at mabuhay tayong lahat na naging bahagi ng makasaysayang paglalakbay na ito.